Attorneys have started closing arguments in the trial of Judge Judith Hawkins. She's charged with judicial misconduct. Now, Judge Hawkins has admitted to selling books in the courthouse as part of Gaza Road Ministries. She said that she was wrong for posting photos of herself in her judicial robes on her ministry website. Now, Hawkins is also accused of deleting financial records and not complying with court orders to produce documents. The hearing panel has said that this is the reason for the investigation. Right now, Arek Sarkissian with the Tallahassee Democrat was in the courthouse today. He's joining us now live from the Democrat newsroom. And Arek, you have been there throughout most of the trial. What do you see? What's the mood of the room with those people who are there supporting the judge?
The mood in general, it's a lot of people, a lot of clergy from here in town. R.B. Holmes from Bethel was there. Bill Proctor was in there as well. There was a lot of praying going on. A lot of people who were pulling for Judge Hawkins, who are supporters from the community.
Now, I reached out to James Ruth, who's presiding over the trial. Obviously, he can't say anything about it, but today closing arguments have been issued. Is there, or have been concluded, from my understanding, is there any kind of feel as to what way that nominating or that qualifications commission will decide and what they'll say to the Supreme Court?
They definitely had some tough questions, but almost like covering the Supreme Court, the justices can have their own tough questions that could lead you to believe one way or another, but that's not the way to go. They have several weeks to decide which way whether they want to recommend some sort of punishment, anything from being reprimanded to being removed from the bench. But there's a lot of parts of this case that they're going to take into account before they make that recommendation to the Supreme Court.
Have you had a chance to speak to the judge herself? I know she's not really making statements aside from being on the stand. Have you had a chance to reach out to her and see what she's saying about this?
She wouldn't actually speak. I actually spoke with her attorney, who's Gerald Kogan, a retired Supreme Court justice. Other than that, she was more interested in focusing on the case and defending herself when she could as someone on the stand and embracing her supporters.
Now, we just got a statement from Bill Proctor, who has said that he is still supporting her. So we'll be following this case to see what the latest is. Again, Arek Sarkissian from the Tallahassee Democrat newsroom. Thanks so much, Arek.
Thank you.